let's have a look at how we're going to use the eraser in OneNote. So we want to make sure we're up here on drawer, and then the eraser is going to come up here. So if I click on it, you'll notice how it pops up a little bit. So if I click on the pens, it drops down and the pen comes up. So we click on that again. Now there are 3 types. So if we click again, we'll notice that it's set on the very first one, which is stroke, and then we have small and medium. We're going to leave it on that first one. We're going to have it go all 3 of these. Now, before we start, you might need to check the settings of your device when you want to draw. And they're just over here on the right-hand side, this little squiggly line. Now, if we click that, we want draw with touch to be on. If it's purple, it means it's on. Okay, what that means if I turn it off is that when I try to draw on the screen or use the eraser, it actually pushes the screen around. But if we turn it back on, it won't. Okay, so it's hard for you to see, but I'm trying to move the screen with my finger, but it won't work. I need to use 2 fingers. Now you can either use a stylus if you have one, or you can use your finger for this. So for this very first one, what we're going to do is erase this rectangle, this orange rectangle on the screen. So I'm going to start about here, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm going to kind of wipe my finger over the top of the rectangle. And when I do that, it completely disappears. Okay, so OneNote knows that that is one singular shape, and you've asked it to erase the entire shape. If we go down and we look at this small option here, so I'm going to click here on the eraser again and change it to small. This is going to be slightly different. So as I move my finger around the screen, and we can see how it's just erasing small bits at the edges. Again, I'm just going to go in a wave pattern over like so. And we can see that these gaps here are really quite small. So it's just erasing really small parts. And if we go down to the last one, we're going to change to medium. So we're going to come up again and click on the eraser and change it to medium, and come back and do exactly the same thing. So I'm going to wave my finger between each one. Okay, big gaps, small gaps, whatever we need. And what you'll notice is if we compare these two to each other, is that it's erased more of it. So basically just the eraser is larger. All right, I want you now to have a go at doing that as well.